Luzhou Machine is a professional auto parts manufacturer located in Taiwan. Our commitment to precision components and accurate delivery schedules has allowed us to serve customers worldwide. Our mission is to provide exceptional service to our customers. We are proud to understand the needs of our customers and to help them succeed in the most cost-effective and highest quality way possible. With our dedication to customer satisfaction, investment in advanced equipment, and world-class manufacturing capabilities, Luzhou Machine is a reliable partner for customers seeking high-quality auto parts. We customize a lot of products. Unless we can't make it, we'll take the order. This is a rocker arm, rocker shaft, camshaft. This pulley is a new product. Lifter valve. These are new products too. We are a solution provider that can assist with automotive engine parts. If a big customer needs a non-disclosure agreement, we can provide you with everything here. If you are a small or medium-sized customer who wants to develop your own brand, you may not have enough procurement capabilities in the beginning. We can provide you with small quantities and a variety of options too. For example, the clients from the Middle East, Russia, or other third-world countries. We just can't find customers from our website. Most of them come through Taiwantrade.com. So we know our positioning on Taiwantrade.com very clearly. In fact, customers are our main force in the future. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Before, if it loses customers, the company may lose 1/3 of its revenue. After joining Taiwantrade, we added up our customer groups. We have thousands of customers online. Our orders range from tens of dollars to thousands of dollars. Altogether, we can replace our previous 1/3 of customers. So we don't have to worry about the dilemma of losing customers. From our experience, there was an Iraqi customer on Taiwantrade. After we understood his needs, the order started for more than $500 and ended up being sold for more than $100,000. This is our first customer from e-commerce. As for this kind of customer category, we have probably had about 20 or 30 customers like this in total in the past 7 years that have grown up like this. Therefore, our internet marketing actually continues to grow. For example, we make car engine parts. Although there are thousands of types of each item, we make only these 2 or 3 models, but the customers may buy other models. So we try to put a full expansion of our product lines. When we can't do it, we will introduce it to the same business in Taiwan. In fact, Taiwan's auto parts industry used to be #1 in the world. But just because in a competitive situation, if this area can be integrated and put on the shelves, it will further enhance competitiveness. We have been in Taiwantrade for more than 20 years. In the early days, we only had 1 or 2 products, so the web page traffic was very slow. But now, after expanding the product lines, the traffic has increased. So we have collected quite a lot of lists in the area of auto parts.